Hola, my people. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So, peep it out. We are going to be doing our little girl's booty. And look at her. She is getting so out of control. Look at this. Her little thing is just flowing. But what I'm going to do is cut it. I'm going to cut it, put it in some water, pop, pop, you know what I mean? Because she's so fruitful, so she needs to go in other places. But this guy has got to come out because the time has come. No months, you know what I mean? She also has to get done with the Boom in June. That's what I think. So let's give her some Boom in June tattoo, baby. Let's do it. I definitely did her and like her because I wanted to be able to remove her later on. Later on has come. Yo, she's mad overdue. I don't remember when I did this, but it's been a minute. There we go. Just gotta rub it into that little booty, you know. Well, we gotta get wild with it, right? Calm down, lady. Calm down. We don't gotta get wild. But there it is. Nice. Alright, so now what are we gonna put on her? Now what? I think she should get one of these feet in the sheets. They're so freaking cute. She's adorable though. All of them. They're all so adorable. But I have not done a freak in the sheets, so maybe that's a good idea, right? But I really do want to do which I'm busy and then put this one. That's just what I want to do. Let's do that. That's what we're gonna do, okay? Cause which I'm busy, damn, damn. Leave that hoe alone. Nah. Here we go. Seriously. Boom. She is so freaking funny being on this toilet, reading her little magazine. Clearly old school. Otherwise, she'd have her phone with her, But there she is with her cute little stockings and stuff. She has a fishnet. Yeah, buddy, here we go. Let's color this baby and put it on. Let's get it on. What does that magazine have? Bats on it? I mean, boom, she's in season. And this little baby will come out the third week of June on the 19th. So that's when this little baby will make a scene for us tonight. Okay, so let's color this thing, baby. And I have this really pretty green. It's kind of like a shimmery green. It came in the main box, I want to say. It's called Sparkling Stems. Yes, it did. Look how pretty that is. That's real pretty. So let's get that for the bats. Making a little bat shimmy. There we go. Just cover your little Betsy. Nothing too magical, huh? We'll make the words right. Little white for the words and for her sheet. You know what I mean? But we'll do the sheet at the end because I'm not gonna lie to you, that's a big old sheet, boy. Here we go. Only for the words. Hold up. I feel like we bled through, dude. We kind of like, hang on. Boom. Okay. Stay in your lane, buddy. There they are. What does it say? Day one. You're one? Oh my gosh. I don't even know. It's so tiny. But anyway, so let's do Snookeroo. Get out of there, Nana. She's all in my plant. Look at her. Leave my plant alone. Ugh. Okay, so let's get a toilet. And it's not gonna be white, okay? So it's gonna be this purple right here. It's not gonna be white or beige. Let's make it this right here, baby. Oh, I wasn't even ready for that, dude. Apparently my plant likes purple because She just had some purple on her. And here she goes again. Whoopsie daisy. She doesn't care. Because she wants what she wants. This ain't about you, bruh. My gosh, Snooki's back. I had to move the plant. She's obsessed with it. I cannot tell you the fight, dude. With the plants in the living room, she finally kind of like leaving them alone a little bit. But I bring it in here and she's like, ooh, well, what's that? Cannot play no. The answer is no. They're not no. Alright, so boom, let's do it. Oh my God. Bam. One toilet coming up. Alright, we got our toilet and we're gonna do the paper with this, the magazine or whatever. Well, should we? Maybe we should have some flavor. Yeah, let's have flavor. And the flavor of the day is gonna be this guy right here. What is this? Yeah, Funk Master 666. Dude, he's bright. But he is also like, part of the season color, the spooky. Yay! She's looking cute. All she needs now is her sheet, baby. Let's do it. Bam, white, my favorite. It is my favorite, dude. I've been looking at this like art where they have like white, black, and orange, and oh my god, girl. I'm so inspired. I totally want to do some nails with that. Let me see. I don't think I have it. Hold up. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my god, I'm obsessed with that. This one, that one, this one. Whoa. Oh my god, I'm so open. Let's go, Bonjour, baby. So I think that my next nail set is gonna have those colors on it. I actually have a little wine swirly type deal that I can use. I got some trees. You know what I mean? I got some, what do they call those things? Dandelions. I got some of them too. I mean, I think I could definitely create some nail art with that theme, and it's coming, baby. At least in my mind. It may never actually make it. But I'm thinking about it. Let's do this little bobo and get out of here. Boom. We're gonna let that little baby dry for a couple of minutes. Honestly, more, okay? Because I have one a little thick veil, I guess. So we're gonna wait, like, I don't know, 10 minutes, and then it'll probably be ready to stamp on this little booty. And then we just gotta put boom. Which I'm busy. Bam. Cool. Okay, so I think our girl is dry and ready. We're gonna use oily bonder here. with our little spongy sponge to get it on there. But let me tell you, okay, I am definitely feeling crafting. I just want to craft my heart out, okay? Hang on, I'm about to show you this little cute guy that I just crocheted. Let's put her on here. Bam, baby. Whoa, yeah, but he's so cool. I love it. And we're gonna go ahead, seal her up. I treat her exactly as if she was a nail, dude. Exactly, okay? Nothing more, nothing less. As a matter of fact, I may not even put top coat on her because she's not going through any wear and tear, dude. Homegirl sits in the windowsill. She just be chilling, okay? That's why she grows so beautiful. It's because she's right there in a perfect spot in the window. But here is this cute little coaster that I just crocheted. So cute and adorable. Look at that. Boom. She could be on there, but it's not for her, dude. It's not. It's actually going to be something that I'm going to give to my sister for my nephew because we call him also. His name is Ocean. Now, my aunt is from Puerto Rico and she does not really speak good English. So instead of saying ocean, she was like, and also actually means bear in Spanish. And it just stuck. So we call him also. And it's going to be his little coaster and stuff, but it's super cute. And I'm going to make some more for them to have. But there we have our cute little guy. I'm going to let that dry. And I think we're going to put in white over here, which I'm busy. You know what I mean? Because I am. Okay, I'm busy, which leave me alone. Here we go. Or rather, I'm a busy witch. Dude. Okay, so there they are, which I'm busy. And then they have the bigger one and the smallest. Not that much bigger, you know what I mean? We're gonna go with the bigger dude. Here we go. Boom. With the white. A nice soft, nice soft little pickup and stuff. Boom. Let's put it on. Alright, so that's weird. I don't even know why I touched the light in the first place. Yo, why? Yo, no, seriously, I can't even see, but I wasn't supposed to do that. Alright, we're good. Let's get this guy on there. Dude. Is it dry enough? Is the question you can see right there. If not, that one little piece, but we're gonna put it right here where it is dry. Boom. Which I'm busy. Okay, leave me alone. And we'll seal it too. We'll seal the little witchy. But I don't know. I'm thinking about, do I bother with the top coat? You know, fine, we'll do it just for the heck of it. Okay, so let's top coat. I'm thinking I'm gonna make her glossy. Even though she looks really freaking cute in my, I can't even help it, dude. Even when I'm holding the glossy in my hand, I still need the dang man. What is it gonna take? What does it take for you to let us shine, lady? Dude, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Galaxy nail. There you go. You can shine on those. Ja. Nada más. Okay, so let's let that dry a few seconds and we'll look at it. We'll kill it. Ah, cute. And there she is in all her little glory, which I'm really so cute. I love it, love it, love it. So for the spooky season, I don't know, that she'll get another one. This may be it. Because clearly it takes me several months to come back around. But dude, she's chilling. She's chilling for now. And I really, really, really like it. So thank you so much. Well, jeez, she is going everywhere. Thank you, my friend, for hanging out with me while I make these nails. Be sure to come back again because I'm going to have more videos. I don't know what we're doing, but let's do it together. Peace. Au revoir. Espérate, share that love too. Share it. Listen, it really does help you feel better when you share that love, especially with yourself. Adios. Hey guys, please remember to like and subscribe.